Hi, hello, and welcome back to a new video. Today I'll show you how to compress WebP images for free and online. So this tool again from fair.directdiary.com. I love this website. Honestly, this website contains a lot of tools, so you can just come and see it, okay? But today I will show you this tool. So what you're gonna do is go a little bit down, choose the image, let's say this one, and as you can see here you will find it in the before, and the before is this, and you want to make it, let's say, less, or I don't know, compress it to let's say, okay, 300 kilobytes. And by the way, in this preset I always like the balanced one, even it is recommended in the tool, because if you will max compress you will lose the quality. If you will max quality, the compress will be lost too, so it will be big, and this is not the thing that we want. So what you're gonna do is click balanced and then compress to target. Wait a little bit and boom. So you saved 86%, and this is the new size of your file. So why we use this? Because first of all, I'm a computer science engineer and web developer. We use this because sometimes we need less kilobytes and stuff. So by the way, if you want less, you can just change the target and it will be less. Even here, the target is 300, but it gives us less than 300. All right, so this is for today. I hope this tool will help you, and I hope this video helped you. If it is, please like it and write any comment. Even a heart will be like, it will mean to me a lot. Thank you for watching, and bye bye. I will put the link in the description. I will not forget.